G&G Technologies presents the G&G Tubing Management System. G&G Technologies tubing management stands are compact, mobile, and allow for flexible arrangements of tubing. The central clamp easily unhinges to allow reconfiguration of the rails and tube guides. Customizable tubing guides are mounted on stainless steel rails between multiple stands to route tubing throughout your facility. The hinge and rail assembly is mounted on a telescoping fixture to allow routing past obstacles and to maintain a downward sloping flow path. The clamp-on or hinged tube guides can be readily moved up and down the rails as needed. The central clamp assembly pivots freely around the stand, allowing for the guides to be reconfigured or moved out of the way with ease. There are multiple configurations of tube guides for various tube quantities and diameters. Materials of construction include 304 and 316 stainless steel, Delrin, and polyethylene. Mobile and stationary tube stands can be made to order in a variety of geometries to meet your needs. Contact G&G Technologies today for a custom solution to your tubing management challenges.